Do you believe you are called to minister in song? Do you want your gift to glorify the Most High Yah? Be a part of the first Hebrew choir of Great Awakening International, the Sound of Yah. We are a Torah observant, Ruach HaKodesh filled Hebrew choir, joined together by the Ruach to sing praises to Yahuah. Go to greathebrewawakening.org to the GAI Music and Arts Department and click on the Sound of Yah for more information. Let us come together and release a sound that will permeate the Shamayim.